Hi, I'm Laura Tilt and I practice in criminal law and family law here at Southern Waters. I'm here today to give you an overview on Apprehended Domestic Violence Orders or Apprehended Violence Orders, otherwise known as AVOs or ADVOs. And one of the questions that we often get from initial clients is, I've had this AVO made against me, what happens next? What can I expect? Firstly, an AVO or an ADVO is a civil order. It's not a criminal offence. You haven't been charged with a criminal offence, but it is a civil order that's made by the police for the protection of another person. Usually, an AVO or an ADVO, and the difference between the two is an AVO is someone for the protection of someone that you don't have a domestic relationship with. An ADVO is for the protection of someone that you do, like a partner or a former partner or your children or parents or siblings. The first thing that will happen is that you're served with a provisional AVO or ADVO. That usually happens on the night that the protected person makes their report to the police or very shortly afterwards, so perhaps the next day. That provisional AVO or ADVO is a civil order that you have to comply with, but it's not made final until it's made final by the court, until it's approved by the court. So when you get your provisional AVO or ADVO, first thing that you should do is get some legal advice. Give someone a call because they can help you and we can help you to advise you on the next steps and to also represent you at the first court hearing. The first court hearing for ADVOs happens within 7 days. And at that hearing, you can either consent to the AVO or you can object to it. And we can help you whichever way that you want to go. If you want to contest an AVO, then you are free to do so and a contested hearing will be listed. However, if if it's in your best interest to consent to the AVO, and we'll give you that advice and help you through that process, then at that first court hearing, it may be that the AVO is made final. But there can be adjustments that can be made to the drafting of the AVO, depending, for example, if you need to enter particular areas for your work, or if you need to see children or have time with children as per parenting arrangements or future parenting arrangements. And they can be built into the AVO to ensure that they're not overly restrictive upon you, but still sufficiently protecting the protected person. So you can always expect a first hearing, and hopefully at that point we can help you resolve things at the first instance. But if it needs to go further, as I said, we can navigate you through that process. So that's what you can initially expect. But as I say, please, if you do have or have had an ADVO made against you, please give us a call and we can help you to navigate the steps after